Hey everyone, Tour Guide maxx'c here, and I'm gonna do a deck profile today on my Wound Up Turbo. I'm new to YouTube, so this is my first video. So yeah, watch. Thanks for watching. Three Magician. Three Wound Up Rat. Shark, one up hunter, three moronic captain, three Gillosaurus, two tour guides. I only have two tour guides, so one effect Veiler, Grandmole, one Spell Striker, I'll play two Factories, play two Instant Fusions, Reborn, Dark Hole, Book, Avarice, Rhoda, Heavy, and two MSTs. Silent Brigade, two Prisons, Air Force, and Compulsory. Thanks for watching my video, and please subscribe. I'm new to YouTube. Everybody else is doing it, so I might as well. So thanks for watching.